Sana all baliw. Sige, babang ko!
Your team is banning.
That guy is in the disco.
The enemy is picking.
Ayun, hindi pa ako kumain.
Yan, tanga. Tara, di mo zoom.
Ayoko, baka mag-kidnap ako.
I
Tanga
am the
sa mga
moonlight.
combo.
Please pick a
Break
hero.
through the darkness.
Ano?
Kasama nga ako.
Punta nga.
Yay ako gold.
Ko na lang.
Sige.
Ako!
Dali, anong gold?
When you gaze,
Switch na! Anong gold? Walang less.
Leslie!
Ha?
Ay, ala, wala. Ito na lang. Wala pang Leslie.
Sana all baliw.
need some stitches? I can
enemy
help.
is
Binan Leslie kasi. Balik ang bota.
Payback
Hindi
time.
ako.
Let's make the whole world green
Your team
and
is
lively.
picking.
Only love and night are everlasting.
I'm Ying, and I won't lose myself,
The enemy
no
is
matter
picking.
what! The Dragonborn is back!
My pleasure.
Your team is picking.
Night falls. Let the killing begin.
Ala, wala akong ice. Oh my gosh.
Tara, inom.
Tara, future.
Ayaw ko lang. Natakot ako dun. Introverted akong tao. Hindi ko nga makausap yung mga boardmate ko. Hindi ko alam ano sasabihin ko.
Ba't mo kakausapin?
Tanga, syempre, magkakasama kami. Isang taon kami magkasama. Ang tahimik ko ganun. Ano sabihin ko?
Introvert ba kayong lahat?
Hindi. Maingay yung isang kasama ko yung street.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Kasi yung dalawa sakto lang.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the
Ako yung di nagkasalita.
Smash them.
Shit!
Troops deployed.
Iba na bili ko. What the fuck? Ay.
Dapat naka-sweet
OA.
boots ka.
Sweet boot naman talaga.
Sweet boots kay Cecilion?
Oo.
The distance between
Tapang
life
naman
and
ang pamilya.
is shorter than my years.
Ang lag na naman. Hindi naman lag kanina.
Stay close.
First
Lo,
blood.
hindi pa ako hindi pala healer tong kasama.
Stay close.
Stay
An enemy has been slain. Stay close.
Tayin ko to.
An enemy has been
Oh, di ba?
slain.
KS.
Stay close.
Wala
Time for some new work.
Yung business na panood na pakinggan mo na.
Ang ina pa, hindi ba lang ako tulungan ng Selena? Patay sa baril lang baril.
Double kill. Stay close. Ally has been slain.
Hala,
Ally has been slain.
wala ka pa akong SL.
Oh, wait. I just realized. I don't care.
Malamang.
Sino kasama mo dyan?
Stay close.
Bulto.
Ay, naririnig talaga ako nagsasalita dyan.
Whatever.
Tang ina mo talaga.
Totoo nga, baliw. Lalaki ka na ngayon kanina.
The enemy
Ano
has
sabi
slain
niya?
the turtle.
Boses lang siya, akala ko kausap mo.
Ally has been slain.
Sa voice changer ako baliw. Patay ako.
An enemy has been slain. You have slain an enemy.
Ano yung farsa?
Oops, somebody's got their stuff being pulled out.
Ga.
Magaling yung farsa.
Ally has been slain.
Gusto ko magkape.
Stay close. An enemy has been slain. Stay close. An enemy has been slain. Look at them.
Lag
Wandering
naman.
like pathetic abandoned dolls. Stay close. Your turn, Mo. Ally has been slain.
Gago kayo walang dalaw yung yin. Mamaya na.
Ga.
I don't trust words. Stand up. You have slain an enemy.
Agto nyo kasi. Di marunong yung core.
Our turret has been destroyed. Enemy double kill.
Kaliwang pota. Isa rin po.
Enemy turret is under attack. Didn't your mother ever tell you? Never get too close to needles.
Sana ulit hapon. Patay.
Enemy rampage. If regret had a flavor, they'd be the first ones to taste it. Stay close. The enemy has slain the turtle.
Yin!
Bakit naman ang para sa gago? Kalahati agad buhay ko eh.
Is under attack. An enemy has been slain. Shut down. Double kill.
Your turn, Muddles.
An ally has been slain.
Stay close.
Hindi pa namatay.
Killing spree.
Stay close. They give me my keys, I fill their needs. Fair deal.
You destroyed a turret.
Business, not my thing. Annoyances, you got me.
Request backup.
I'm not alone.
Turret is under attack.
Diyan yung
Skill up!
Oo, sinalba kita.
An enemy has been slain. Double
Sinalba
kill.
ko yung si Lina gago, hindi mo lang siya nag-play. Look,
Enemy godlike.
Got pricked.
nag-first kill pala yung Karina, tapos binaril-baril ko yung isang sigurang buhay.
Legendary. An enemy has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed. Double kill.
Nice.
baliktad.
Nice.
Shut down.
Nice.
Kill. Well played.
Good girl.
Siya yung walang dalaw, pero siya yung nagbubuhat.
Sakti mo. Tsamba lang yun. Ako yung magbubuhat mamaya.
Your team destroyed
Ayaw
the turret.
mamalamangan.
Shut down.
Wala yung Salina yung nagbubuhat. At
Look,
Like playing house.
yung Melissa yung pabuhat.
Your turn, Muddles. Catch up!
Hindi ba patay na naman?
dami napatay ako. Di ba kung hindi ako pumasok, hindi nyo mapapatay yun.
Ally has been slain.
Sana all tanga. Lah,
Mali kumakbo.
galing naman yung Karina. Mag-rose gold tayo. Lord.
If only she could be with me now.
Shut down.
Lah. Di ba? Ang galing nung Yin.
An ally has been slain.
Ah, ako na target. Na-reset pa yung Lord.
My needle is more than a doll sewing tool.
Lah.
Bilis!
An enemy has been
Anong
slain.
bilis?
Ally has been slain. Double kill.
Lord na.
Gather up the Lord.
Ang core. True ba? Tangan, sakit nung Karina eh.
My
Huwag na
life,
din.
my choice.
Sa tinuloy ko, nakakaasar.
Tanga nandiyan niya yung Karina.
Kaya yun.
Nag-push na sana all baliw.
Need to stitch up their noisy mouths right away. Stay close.
Kaya ito. Hindi gilong.
Stay close.
Feel ko nandito yung silong.
Ano ko dito?
Slain. Ally has been slain.
Natulong. Anong ginagawa niyo?
Destroyed
Bakit?
a turret. Double kill.
Ayan, oh may lalaki
Sige,
na
Vic.
naman. Nagsasalita.
Ay na mo talaga!
I'm not
Pag ako
alone.
namatay
I
dito.
have my doll.
Kamatay ka nga.
Killing spree.
Screen lag naman. Ay, napatay mo?
Ang galing. Shit!
Gago naglalag. Screen lang.
Gather up the Lord. Our turret is under attack. Slain.
Lord.
Gather up the Lord.
Stay close.
Ang yung bot natin. Ay,
Bag na yan.
Stay close. Stay close. Got pricked.
Enemy double kill. Mega kill.
Diyan yung Mia. Diyan yung Mia.
oh, eh.
Takbo.
How are you? Oh, wait. I just realized. I don't care.
Unstable network.
Akin na blue.
Say,
Ayaw
the
niya.
cheese.
Bala ko dyan.
My needle is more than a doll sewing tool.
Ang albalin.
Has been slain. Launch attack. An enemy has been slain.
Your turn.
Unstoppable.
Shit.
Ally has been enemy double
Oh my, they're following me. Oh!
down. Killing spree.
Tagoy.
Campus na to.
Unstable network.
Wala, sumigaw-sigaw ako dito eh.
Our turret has been destroyed. Request our turret is under
I don't
attack.
trust words. They can hurt like weapons. Stay close.
Request
Ang
our
lag
turret is
naman.
under
Ba't
attack.
yung lag? Lahat na lang.
Our turret has been destroyed. Enemy killing.
Parang,
Oh no.
ano ba yan?
Dire-diretso ako. Ang lag na.
An enemy has been slain. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Shut down. Double kill. Our turret has been destroyed. Our base is under attack.
Paasan?
Enemy double kill.
Talo na.
Ult is not ready.
Minions, please! Minions! Ah!
Killing spree.
Nice.
Lord.
Lord, ang puta. Nagamit ba nung Mia yung Tranchon?
If only she could be with me now.
Sanchon.
Eh yung ano? Yung Winchan.
Baka. Go!
Slain Lord.
Nandiyan na yung silong alinis. Stop mo. Nag-screen lag.
Ally has been double kill.
At least nakuha yung Lord.
Triple kill.
Sige, patay mo yan. Patay kayo lahat dyan.
Maniac.
Hindi.
Oh.
Galing. Yung bot. Ako na sa bot.
Your team destroyed
And.
turret.
Time for some needlework.
An enemy has
Yeah.
been slain.
Good job. Good job. Grabing screen lag naman to.
Victory.
Diba? Tang ina, report kita.
Bakit?
Tanisam. Report score mo.
Sino yung nagsasalita? May narinig talaga ako nagsasalita.
Wala ka dyan.
Nice G po. Init na ng tablet ko. Bye.